Matapos ang nominasyon, ang first-time nominee na si Lee tila naging emosyonal.
You say...
Nung kasama ko sa grupo ko, tropa ko po, kuya. Si Heat po. I don't know what I would do without him. Or I wouldn't know how he would do without me. Pero gusto ko pa po rin magpatuloy pa dito sa loob ng bahay niyo, kuya. Napansin niyo po, kuya. Mga big hitters yung mga kasama ko eh. At ako naman, hindi ko... Wala pa akong masyadong na-prove. Kasi kuya, super talented po nila. To the point na sa kanila nakatutok. Kasi hindi na po natututok sa akin. Pero ginawa ko naman po lahat, kuya. Nilalaman ko talaga sa sarili ko to get that spotlight.
Habang ang kapwa kapusong nominado na si Heath, nagbahagi kay Miguel.
I'm the first one. I want to see him go up. Pero Lee talaga, I really want him to go up talaga, bro.
Go, Inigo!
His passion's so strong, bro.
Go, Boy Boy! Go, Lee!
Lakasan mo pa kay Lee.
Go, Lee!
Yeah.
He's one of the people who really wanted to be here and really deserved to be here also.
Yeah.
So to be honest, I think most of us hindi naman to dream.
Yeah, pero sa kanya,
But
bro.
yeah, I feel like it is.
Kung tutusin na, I want him to be the big winner, bro. If I had the choice to surrender my position, I'd surrender for Lee to go up.
Yes.
I'm just a very playful person po, kuya. And I guess I want to show people din na I'm very caring, I'm very loving po, kuya.
Ilang saglit pa, si Joaquin dinamayan na si Lee.
Head up. There's not much you could do aside from praying and doing your best as a housemate.
Honestly, I just pray for my group mates.
I believe in you, bro.
No hard feelings. Here's what it is.
Gain muscle in here, bro.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Para sa akin po, in-accept ko na lang. So, kung ano po mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw, yun po yung mangyayari.